All right, so I think it goes without saying that the Washington Capitals easily have the worst goal horn in the league. I have nothing against the team, it's just that their goal horn is kind of trash. However, I think I have found a fix for it, and it's a little bit unconventional. They can keep that stupid siren, but instead of playing just generic hey oh, hey oh, hey oh, that bullshit, replace it with The Beautiful People by Marilyn Manson. I know it sounds dumb, but hear it out. It's infinitely better. And all you did was switch out the song. And, Marilyn Manson, the person, is not the greatest guy, but Marilyn Manson, the artist, is pretty damn decent. So, if the Capitals were to take this idea, go for it. I don't give a shit.